Today I'm going to show you 2 fine motor pom-pom activities using materials that you probably already have in your house. So one is this little pom-pom gumball machine using a Ziploc bag, and the other one uses these medicine containers.
Start by printing a simple gumball machine icon, though a tree or anything else works too. Glue it to cardboard for extra durability, then slide it into a plastic bag. Next, cut a small hole and reinforce the edges with tape. Now add your pom-poms. Have your child or student use their fingers to carefully move the pom-poms through the hole, practicing using a precision grasp. It's an easy, hands-on activity to build strength and coordination.
Now I'm going to show you how you can use pom-poms and this medicine sorter to work on a lot of great fine motor and color matching skills. So for this activity, I just have the different color pom-poms like yellow, pink, blue, and purple. To grade it down to make it the easiest, you can just have the child pick up one pom-pom at a time. This is going to use a pincer grasp. Open the door, place the pom-pom in, and close it. So you'll just repeat the process and have the different colors sitting out so they can practice on sorting, opening, placing it in using a pincer grasp, and closing. Another way you could grade this activity up is give the child a whole handful of pom-poms all at once in the palm of their hand, and then work on translation, which means that they're going to move it from their palm to their fingertip, then place it in. Then they're going to move on to the next one. So go ahead and focus on rolling that pom-pom to the fingertips, placing it in. And they'll just continue to do this. Another way you can do this activity is to use tongs. So you're going to have the child pick up the pom-poms using the tongs versus their fingers. Place them in the correct door, close up, and continue.